Hello student, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Share with your friends. I am Veena Dixit. I will help you regarding pH, ionic equilibrium and entire chemistry. All the best. God bless you. Here we are discussing about pH scale, acidic and basic solutions. So among the following pH value, which solution contains a weak acid and which is strong acid? Options are given 1.72, 2.0, 3.7, 6.27. So all of them are acidic. Which is strong acid, which is weak acid? So first of all, you have to draw a number line from 1 to 7, 7 to 14. So up to 7. Here 7 is a neutral. pH 7, it means it is a neutral solution. So from 1 to 7 here, this solution, if pH ranges from 1 to 7, this shows acidic nature of the solution. So one thing you remember, then as we go from 7 decreasing order, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. So acidity increases when pH is lower. Okay, so acidity increases as pH decreases. Here it is least, 7 here 1, and acidity decreases as number is increases. Here 6 is very poor acid. pH 1 most acidic, pH 6 least acidic, or 6.8, 6.9, these are least acidic. Clear? So acidity increases as we move from right to left, or we can say lower will be the number of pH, lower will be the pH, higher will be the acidity. So here, which is at the lower number 1.72, so it is most acidic. Which is having higher number 6.27, so I am making circle. 6.27 most acidic, and 1.72, this is most acidic, this is least acidic. Least acidic because pH is more, pH more, so acidity less. Here pH less, so acidity more. Okay, so 1.72 is most acidic and 6.27 pH weak acid. Now here I have given bile juice, pH saliva, gastric juice, blood and pancreatic juice. Their pH is given, and from this here, as pH increases, basicity increases. So, and basicity start after 7. So here 7.8 to 8.6 means basic solution. 5.5 and to 6.9. So pH of saliva, it is weakly acidic. Okay, I told you that up to 7, 6.9 is acidic. Okay, 7, this is alkaline, this is also weak basic. Weak basic, this is also weak basic because it is near here. So it is lesser will be the pH, a little higher than 7, so it will be weak basic. Okay, more